Assalamualaikum and good evening everyone. Today we would like to present for our group project which is Advanced Traffic Engineering, and we are from group 2. These are our group members: Muhammad Badrul Amin bin Rosli, Muhammad Afiq bin Rahimin, Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Muslihan, Nur Syamimi binti Sharon Nizam, and Aina Damia Masara binti Muhammad Noor.
Okay, my name is Nur Syamim binti Shanizam. Today I'm going to present to you about the introductions, which is what is traffic engineering. Traffic engineering is a subfield in civil engineering that studies the planning, design and management of transportation system to ensure the safe, efficiency and also the convenient flow of people and products. Next is traffic engineering also aims to improve the overall transportation networks by reducing delays, accidents and also enhancing the experience of the all road users. So next is the problem statement, which is traffic flow at the McDonald's Taman University crossroad is generally acceptable with a few delays and congestions except during a particular time of day when the numbers of vehicles on the road is a peak. They are often known as peak hours. During the peak hours, traffic volume increases and dramatically, resulting in additional delays, congestion and also perhaps longer wait times at junctions. This could be attributed to an increase in the number of vehicles traveling to and from works of school, as well as other things like special events or constructions. So the objective of these studies are to analyze the traffic flow issues at the given signalized intersections. Second is to evaluate performance by analyzing geometric and traffic data. Next is to propose effective change to traffic flow management.
My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Rahimin and I will be presenting about the methodology for this study. First of all, the methodology is used to collect the data at last intersection at Taman University, and the table shows the vehicle class and type of vehicle. The first one is the motorcycle, the second one is car, the third one is van and medium truck, and last but not least is the bus and heavy truck. And the procedure for this study is traffic movement count was counted at each approach for 1 hour in a segment of 50 minutes, which is 4 segments in 1 hour. The second one is the lane width need to be measured, and the third one is the green time in second, and the cycle time for each phase need to be counted. The fourth one is record the traffic volume and convert in passenger car per unit. And the fifth one is calculate the saturation flow. And six, the ratio of design flow to saturation flow was computed. The Y value, which is the total value of Y for each approach, was determined. And the seven is the intergreen time I per second, and total loss time per second L were calculated. And number 8 is the intersection practical capacity Y prac and reserve capacity RC were determined. And last but not least, step number 9, for each approach the average stop delay per vehicle D second and the level of service were calculated. So last but not least, the last table, which is the LOS, level of service for the road. There are 6 classification of road, which is A, B, C, D, E and F. And A is below than 5, B is 5.1 and 15, C is between 15.1 until 25, D is between 25.1 until 40, E is between 40.1 until 60, and F is more than 60. That's all from me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Muslihan. I will continue this presentation in the chapter 3 is a data presentation. Our group was assigned to evaluate the traffic signals at the Taman University intersection. This is a intersection layout. It's a three-way junction at Taman University. Next is the table that shows the number of vehicles passing through lane from Jalan UTHM to Batu Pahat, Taman University to Batu Pahat, and Jalan Batu Pahat to UTHM. The traffic light at this three-way junction are divided into three phases, and the table below shows the total cycle time for each phase. Next is chapter 4 that present the result and data analysis. Firstly, we calculate the Q value for all lanes, which is the number of vehicles multiplied by the PCO factor. Secondly, we determine the saturation flow S and Y value. Here is an example calculation to find the value of S and Y. This is the Y value for all phase. After that, we determine the average delay D for each phase. So here is an example calculation to find the value of average delay for all phases. After that, the level of service LOS for all lanes is determined once D is obtained. This is all the LOS for all lanes. Lastly is a determination maximum Q, and here is the example calculation to find a maximum Q for all phases. This table shows the maximum Q and for all lane in the three phases.
Hi, my name is Aina Damia Mesara binti Muhammad Noor. So I'm going to talk about discussion. So there were four categories of vehicles, which is cars, vans and medium trucks, buses and heavy trucks, and motorcycle. There were variations in the level of service for every phase and lane. For instance, in phase 1, the LOS for the left and right lanes were D and C, while in phase 2, the LOS for the left and right lanes were A and D, and in phase 3, the LOS for both lanes were A and E. Several factors including the weather, the location of the data collection, the equipment, and the unit being investigated might have had an impact on the inquiry. For instance, gathering data on a rainy day may obstruct the observer's perspective and produce incorrect data. To provide a good view and prevent mistakes, the placement of data collecting also needs to be carefully considered. So we can conclude that the intersection posted speed limitations were appropriate because it reduced reaction time and helped regulate speed. Nevertheless, several suggestions have been made to enhance the intersection traffic flow, such as the use of artificial intelligence traffic lights, which it may reduce the amount of time that vehicles have to wait at intersections because they have access to real-time traffic data. Optimizing the signal cycle time is another recommendation for minimizing intersection traffic congestion.
Hello and hi, my name is Muhammad Badr Amin bin Rosli. Today, I would like to talk about a conclusion. This study evaluates traffic pattern at Taman University for three entrants, revealing flaws in accuracy, latency, service quality, and queue management. Solutions include optimizing signals, controlling signals, and geometrical modifications. Implementing this recommendation could be improve efficiency and reduce the traffic congestion by 30 to 40%, emphasizing the need for deliberate and action.
All right,
Okay,
that's
that's
all
all
from us.
us.
Thank you so much.
If any question, can
All right,
ask.
that's all
Thank you
from
so
us.
much.
Thank you so much.